Number line and point to it. Can you find that number on the number line? No? Okay, it's this one right here. And right here. Okay? And the reason why you can't find it, does it look the same or different? Let's put it close to each other. Does it look the same or different? What looks different about it? Which part looks different? Does the top part look different or the bottom part look different? The top part looks different. That's why you got confused. So when you write a 4, you can write it the simple way, which is open like that. You see how it's open at the top? Or you can make it a little bit more fancy. Can you say fancy? A little bit more fancy, and you can kind of tilt those lines to where they connect. So when you write a 4, you can decide how you want to do it. But this is the number 4. You know how I know it's the number 4? I'm gonna start counting. So let me have your finger, and let's count the number line until we get to number 4. Here we go. Say. 4. So it's the number 4. That's how I know that's the number 4. So you said this was going to be red. So your job is to get how many? What are you going to do now? What are you going to do now that you know? Are you getting the red ones? I see you getting the red ones. And what is this called? Do you remember what this is called? What is this unit that we're learning with? What is it called? You don't remember? What is it called? It's called a 10 frame. Can you say it again? 10 frame. Why do we call it a 10 frame? Why do we call this little guy a 10 frame? Why?
That's why it's 10 frame.
Why is it a 10 frame?
That's why.
Why?
We have to count.
Okay, we use it to count, and when it's all full on the top and it's all full on the bottom, it's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. It's going to have 10 items. That's why we call this a what?
We're going to have 1, 2, 3.
That's why we call this what? What do we call this?
10.
A 10 frame. Okay, you put yours on there that you got, your 4 red ones. Put them there at the top. We're going to start from left to right.
Put 2 eyes.
Yeah. Okay, and is that enough? How do you know that's enough?
Then we have the first.
Well, is this 4 red ones like the recipe says? 4 red? Make sure, count it. You almost. You did say 4, but you counted this one 2 times, and you didn't count this one at all. So let's count it again. Good, 4. So in math, when you miscount, you're making a mistake. You count it. It's called a miscount. So what number is this one? Yeah, what number is that? If we don't know, let's start counting from the number line. Count. So what number is it? 3, yeah. And what color is it? Green. Okay, so let's see. Do you have green on that tray? I don't see green on that. Oh, you found some green. Okay, so you're going to get how many green ones? Oh, that's this one here. This one here. You want to use your fingers? It's going to look like this. You see how the fingers are right here? So this is that number again. Okay. Do you remember what the name is? 1, 2, 3. This is 3. With your fingers, it looks like this. 3. And it sounds like this. 3. Okay, can you get 3 green ones? You see how they have three? You're gonna put 3 green ones, starting at the left. Okay. Okay, 1. Let me hear you count. That's 2. And how many is that? Yeah, can you say the name? 1. Okay, so now what we have is a row of red and a row of green. Okay, and we're gonna put them together. So 4 red and 3 green is how many do you have on your 10 frame? We're gonna count all of them. Okay, let's count the red ones first. Okay, you did 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you started 1, 2, 3. We're gonna keep counting on the number line. So we're gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So we're gonna say 4 and 3 make 7. Okay, we're gonna look here. Is this a 7? Okay. Is that a 7? Okay, let's see, let's add to the number line so we can see which one is a 7. Let's keep counting and let's use our number line to help us find the 7 so we know what we're looking for. So let's start here. You ready? 7. So 7 looks like this. So you said this one was a 7. Does that look the same or different? We're not going to use that one. 4 and 3. Does this number, are they the same or different? Different. So we're going to change it. What about this one? Is this a 7? Are those numbers the same or different? The same or different? Different. So let's flip some more. Is that one the same or different? Different.
It is that one and that one and that.
Yeah, those are the same, but we're not looking for 6. We're looking for 7. Is this one the same or different? The same. Say it loud and proud. That's the same. Yeah, that's 7. So 4 and 3 make 7.
Yeah.
Can you say that again? 4 and 3 make 7. See, right here, look. 4 and 3 make 7. So we're going to do another one. You want to do another one? Yes or no? Okay. Let's put the red back. I'm going to give you your cards and you can do another one. Put the green back. Okay. And what color? What color do you want? Pick a color. What colors do you want? Okay, we're gonna look for one on this recipe card. This recipe card. These recipe cards gonna go all the way up to 20. Right now we're only working through 10. This one? You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay. What made you pick this one? You like the colors? All right. What color is on this one?
Green and blue.
Green and blue. And what numbers do you see? Those are numbers. Those are numbers. Do you know what numbers they are? The name of them? Can you tell me the name of this number?
It don't say.
They're not the same. They're different. What can you use to help you tell you the name? Where do you see that one at? That's the same. So what do we call this line? What kind of line is this called? Do you remember what kind of line this is? That one's the same too. You're finding that number all over the place. Okay, this is called a number line. Yep, number line. And we want the name right here. Can you count right here for me? You want this name. Let's count. Well, we're right here, right here. Touch it. Touch it. Did you say it? You said 1, 2. So what is this called? 2. And what does it look like on your hand? On your hand, what does it look like? Can you show me on your hand? Show me 2. Show me 2. You think that's 2? Count them. Count them. Is that 2? That's more than 2. Can you show me 2 on your hand? How do you know that's 2? Count it. Count it. You did it, loud and proud. Let's see if we can find it on here. Let's see, to show you. Were you right, or is it 2? 1, 2. You want it to be 1? Well, that's the next one down here. So first, let's get 2 blue ones. Can you find 2 blue chips to put on your number, your 10 frame? I can turn it around for the blues, or we can get it from this tray. Okay. Can you find the blue one? You're going to get 2. We're adding the colors together to see how many we have all together. Can you say all together? All together. We put 2 on the number line. Yeah, you're counting. Put 2 blue on the number line. Wow, it fell right on the left side. Okay, there are 2 in the same box. Can you move one over so it has its own box? So that way when we're counting on our 10 frame. All right, now you're to the number that you wanted. And that was, what number is that? You said, oopsie.
Look right here.
Does that look like this one? The same or different? Oh, thank you, thank you. We're looking for this number. What number is this?
8.
Okay, let's